Looking for a carry-on that looks cool and can take a beating? This Lufthansa Aluminium bag might be it. This is the Lufthansa Aluminium Carry-On bag. I've been using it for the last couple of months. It's sleek, it's modern, it really stands out. So I'll give my honest opinion in this video about this bag. Let's go. Okay, here it is. Let's check it out. It's built rock solid. It's really durable and you don't get any notable scratches. I've been using it for 6 months now and I don't see any scratches. I haven't checked it in yet. The rolling mechanism here is really good. It's one of the best rolling mechanisms I have on a suitcase, I think. It even works on the European brick stones you find in the old towns and stuff. So it's really durable when it comes to the roll side. Hopefully the wheels will work after a while as well. There is no friction here, so the roll's really smooth. So I'm kind of curious how, if I have to change the wheels, how I do that, because I know that Lufthansa doesn't have any stores in Norway, so maybe I need to go to Frankfurt or Munich or something to actually change them, but we will see. You also have some standing bumpers here as well, if you want to stand it up sideways, like this. And on this side, you have the T-shape locks. Really opens really smoothly, just press down here. And you close it with pressing those two in. With the suitcase, you also get a leather bag tag, from which is Lufthansa branded, which is really nice. So yeah, let's check out the handle. This is the handle. It's really durable. It's massive here on the top, and you can easily lift it with the handle on wherever you go. So it doesn't wobble that much that the other suitcase does. So it's actually super nice. There are two handles here as well, one here and one here. They are soft close, as you can see. So if I have it out, it easily or softly go into the bag, which is really nice. Let's check inside the bag and see what's inside. So let's open it. Inside the bag there are two sides. Both have zippers on them, which is a really premium material. It says Lufthansa here as well, so it's branded Lufthansa Aluminium Collection. I wish though that one of the side was not completely locked with zippers, because if I really want to pack it really full, then it can be a problem. But I haven't done that yet, so I'm not sure. I'm afraid that the zippers actually will break if we come to that, but we will see. The zippers feels of a premium material, so maybe it will not break. On the top here you have two easily accessible storage compartments on the top, which is nice if you need to store your passport or anything like that, if you don't have a backpack. Inside there are actually a lot of space inside, and there is a lot of accessories that comes with the bag. We'll go through that later. But here it's actually kind of spacious. Here the handles for the suitcase is, but it's actually really good space and doesn't take up that much space inside the suitcase, so that is nice. Also inside here, if I can find the zipper, it's on the other side. On the other side there is some soft material here, so you don't lay straight onto the aluminium, which is really nice. On the other side, there is actually a little bit bigger on the other side, because you don't have the handle there. So let's see that. Let's open here. More accessories, we're gonna go through that. So this is much bigger, so there is a lot of storage space there, I think. Or I know, because I've used it. You can pack this really tight and the zippers work, but it's nice if you're carrying a lot of stuff and just want to squish it in. It's nice to actually have a little bit more room than get stopped by the zippers. But I think it will work. In addition, you will also get a cover for your suitcase if you need to check it in. I haven't opened it yet because it's lay nice here in the bag, so I will not open it now, but it's a cover for the entire suitcase, so you don't get scratches when you check it in. In addition to that, you also get a shoe bag, which is Lufthansa branded. You can see it here. Nice. I don't know what this is. This is a mega bag or a big bag, really big bag. It's also Lufthansa branded. I use it for laundry, put all my dirty laundry in. But if you want to put your clothes in this and just stash it there, I think you can use it for everything you want. And a really nice thing that you also get a packing cube. I use this a lot. You can hold it like this. I think it's a medium-sized packing bag. Not usually used to packing bag, but this is actually really nice because once you've filled it up, you just close it, and then you put it on one side, and then you have a little bit space here that you can put some accessories or boxers or socks or something that you forgot to pack. So yeah, it's a really nice bag, premium material. Works really well, rolls really well, so I'm really happy with this bag. Only downside that we're gonna go through now is the weight. Lufthansa says that the weight of this bag is 4.7 kilos. We're gonna test that now, so let's find the measuring tool and measure the weight. So let's attach the baggage weight. Turn it on. It's on 0. This is going to be in kilograms or grams. It's on 0 now, so let's check it out. With everything in, it says 5.1 kilo. Not sure if you can see that. 5.1 kilo, which is higher than what advertised from Lufthansa, but I'm going to take out the accessories that are inside here now, so maybe that's why. And I have some bag tags and stuff like that, and yeah, the stickers shouldn't be any problem, but let's take out everything and this. So let's check it out now. So okay, hello, 0. Let's see. Oh, it's 5.5. With the aluminium bag, you're obviously compromising a little bit on the weight, but this is so nice, it's so durable, and I actually kind of recommend this, even if it's a branded bag. It's super durable. I've heard from some reviews that it's better than the Rimowa bag, but Rimowa is Rimowa, but I didn't want to pay that much money. This bag cost $489 on Lufthansa's website. Unfortunately, it's only European countries that can purchase this, but you can purchase this at Frankfurt, Munich, and Vienna. They have the World shop there. Or you need to find a friend that you can send it to, so you can send it to the US or Asia or wherever you live. They currently don't send it to Norway, so I had to pick it up in the Netherlands because my girlfriend is from the Netherlands, so I sent it to her parents' place. But really good bag. I recommend it. I'm not sponsored in any way. I even don't have an affiliate link. Maybe I will get that, but right now I'm not sure if they have an affiliate program. But so this is an unbiased review of what I think of this bag, and honestly, I really like it. Until next time, have a safe flight.